Silly little kid.
The Bull and the Mouse.
Moo.
One day, a mouse was playing in the garden.
Ooh!
He was very happy doing mischievous things. He saw a bull sleeping and disturbed its sleep.
Here we go! Ooh! Fantastic! Pika, pika!
Moo.
The mighty bull got furious and started chasing the mouse. The mouse was swift. He ran into his hole quickly.
Here we go!
The bull crashed into the wall and got hurt. A small creature might not always be weak.
Keep watching Silly Little Kids. Subscribe!